Kids Vision TV.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's draw a cute kitty. First I am coloring blue with light pink. I am coloring in circle. Yellow color. I am coloring in nose. Now I am coloring in eyes, black color. Now I am coloring in frock, dark pink color. Light pink color. I am coloring in frock layers. Let's color with me. Second layer. Third layer. Fourth layer. Fifth layer. Sixth layer. Seventh layer. Eighth layer. Ninth layer. 10th layer. 11th layer. Ta-da! It's done! Now I am coloring in sleeves, dark pink color and light pink color. Now I am coloring the lower side of the frock. Let's color with me. Dark pink. I am coloring in shoes. Oh, look at my cute kitty.
Subscribe us for more videos.